Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. This is Will the Trill here. This is my latest acquisition from Craigslist for $35. It is a 1978 Gibson Air Sweep 5900 BTU air conditioner. And this is a first for me. The first unit I got where the side curtains are disintegrated. And the other thing is, if you look carefully, you see that? The case is actually twisted sideways. Very weird. It's missing that, unfortunately. The very same thing happened to Christian. The symbol right here, it was missing on his too. It's got one vent on one side. The compressor side has two vents. But what's cool about this one, the big improvement over my last one that I sold to Christian, the 1983 Slumber Master, you can't see it, but it's got the Tecumseh AE. The same compressor as my 1973 Fetters. There's the condenser coil. If you look, I don't want to lift it, but actually I can. No rust underneath. It's perfect. So, why don't we start it up? Start with low cool. Let's hear that beautiful sounding Tecumseh AE reciprocating compressor. The condenser fan is rubbing against the shroud, unfortunately. So I got to take this apart, clean it out. Yeah, it's shaking. Starting to get cold though. Oh God, that's beautiful. That is so beautiful. Yeah, I got to do something with the condenser fan. But it's getting cold. I want to see if the air sweep works. Turn it on. Yep, it works. Oh, wind noise, sorry. That's medium. Yeah, it's a first for me too. The condenser fan is rubbing against the shroud. I may have to balance it. Yeah, and also both the accordions of the side curtains are disintegrated. But overall, very cool. I'm so happy I found a Gibson Air Sweep with a reciprocating compressor. I guess this is what I'll do. I'll bring this to the air conditioner meet hosted by the air conditioner guy, so I can get this issue fixed. Yeah, the condenser fan blades may need to be balanced, but it's blowing nice and cold. Yeah, nice and cold. One more time. Yeah, when I take this apart to clean it, I'm going to see if it's something simple before I go and take this to the air conditioner meet. Kick not too bad. So yeah, so this unit is a 5900 BTU. It was manufactured in December 1978. So this is a win. It works great. This is awesome. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, hit like, hit subscribe, and don't forget to always love.